Everybody, so we did some super shapes today. I did record it on stream as well on Twitch. This is the function I used. I created a function. It takes 4 variables and an angle, and it returns an x and a y coordinate, which I adjusted according to aspect ratio down here. Long story short, I draw them as individual lines. I was going to do a line strip when I started, but then I changed that. I draw 10 of them, and each one these variables are set, and I have 3 different types programmed in so far. Kind of cool looking. They're spacey, so I'm going to leave them in, and I'm going to put them in the background and see what happens with them, or have to, relocate them and move them around and rotate them and stuff like that. But let's see what else. I learned a little bit about GLM's constant values. To retrieve a constant value, they're usually in template form, so that means you have to throw in the type that you want to retrieve. Like if you want to retrieve an int for pi, you just throw in the int right there where it says float. I did pi as a float, and I added it to my calculations. I was inspired by Coding Train. He did this 5 years ago, 6 years ago now. He uses the formulas from paulbork.net, and I found on Stack Overflow how to use the templated function and get the value for pi. So without further ado, let's get on to the eye candy. And basically they're static. I don't actually multiply or move them around the screen, so you get like these spirals and stuff, and they're all kind of they're just kind of static. I thought maybe I could draw maybe I should draw some of them as points instead of as lines, and then we can just have like constellations in the background too. But that'll be for another episode maybe. Or maybe I'll do that later tonight in the background stars function. I'll add that in. But I thought this looked pretty cool, so I would leave it in and I will share it with you. I'm just going for that super psychedelic look, since somebody noted that it looks psychedelic. So anyways, thanks very much for watching, and that's all for today.